Your much-anticipated Cara Print 4.0 has finally arrived, and you probably can't wait to get started with your first 3D printed restoration. Use this quick installation guide to help ensure your success from the very first print. After opening the box, take out the accessories and packaging. Carefully lift out Cara Print 4.0 and place it on a secure level workbench. Check that you have removed all the accessories. Your order includes one AC/DC converter, one US power cable, one EU power cable, 2 trays, one building platform, one microfiber cloth, one pair of round-tip tweezers, 3 plastic blades, 2 carbon fan filters, one silicone vat spatula, one wash bottle with spout, 5 fluted paper filters, one plastic scraper, one steel funnel with attached strainer, one pair of flush cut clippers, 2 isopropanol rinse jars, 2 pairs of nitrile gloves, one instruction manual. Connect the power cable and Ethernet cable and flip the main power switch on the back. Open Cara Print 4.0 using the handle at the top of the front window. Loosen the nut of the Z-axis building platform, insert it at the top of the printer and tighten. Select one of the included Cara Print trays and fill it with a resin such as Dima Print Ortho. A max fill line is provided to help prevent overfilling. Be sure to wipe off any excess resin from the side of the bottle before reclosing it for storage. Insert the tray into the slots at the bottom of the printing area until you hear an audible click and see a solid green line. Press the chrome power button to turn on the printer. Transfer the desired file from Cara Print Cam onto a USB stick. Insert the USB stick into the slot above the power button and the USB transfer screen will appear automatically. Select the restoration you wish to print on the right side of the screen under USB memory. When a pop-up window appears, check that the file name is correct and hit Yes to confirm. The file is automatically checked to ensure it is a valid print file. When the Transfer Complete window appears, hit OK. Now tap the arrow in the top left corner to return to the home screen and select Library. The most recently added restoration will appear at the top. Select the restoration you wish to print and tap Continue. Choose the appropriate Dima print material and the desired resolution. Tap Continue and confirm by pressing Print on the next screen. Your restoration will be printed in under an hour. Quick, precise, economical, the perfect fit. Cara Print 4.0